Okay, in this video I'm going to demo some of the new features added to the DFS Lineup Generator. So first you will select the template for the contest. In this case, this is a CSV file downloaded from the FanDuel website. You can also select projections, and this is new. This is a projection CSV file downloaded from the NumberFire website. And so you can see it's automatically already reduced the number of available players from 38 down to 27, and that's based on their projected value, which I can explain shortly. But first, to look at some of these other new features, I can, for example, filter. So I can type a player name, or I might type Buffalo WR and take a look at all of their wide receivers and see who's included. There are new designations here. This value indicates that a player was excluded because their projected value was too low. I can override that, of course, and decide to include the player. This is just an initial suggestion. Another thing that happens if a player shows as cut, if a player is cut during the week or assigned to the practice squad, they're still available in the FanDuel lineup, and they don't show any designation on the player. You have to click through the notes to see what's happening, and you might not even know. But the fact that they're missing from the projections means that they're probably not playing, so we exclude them by default. And another new option is I can select to stack a team. So if I stack the Chiefs, it will make sure that the only lineups that are selected have the maximum number of players allowed for one team. And you can see here another new feature is it shows the number of combinations. This is not the actual number of lineups that it will generate, but it is the number of lineups that it will consider before doing all the selection criteria. So that gives you an idea of how many lineups you're dealing with, which is important because you have to stay under the limit. Another feature here is selecting an algorithm. Currently I only have 2, but certainly planning to add more. This rotating slots algorithm just cycles through quality players for MVP, but that's not available in a full slate lineup like this one because there is no MVP. So if I make a few selections here, and let's generate. So it will generate these lineups. This is the same as before. I can save them. They appear down here. View a summary in the browser, and I can export, which will save a CSV file to the local drive that I can then upload to the FanDuel website.